Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking. So today's video is going to be a giveaway video. So for the past 2 weeks I've just been reviewing wigs for different companies, but today I'm going to give out this wig. It's a straight wig, 18 inches. It has this removable band, so you don't have to go through that stress of sewing a band on it. It has 4 combs. The knots are undetectable. You don't have to apply concealer or bleach the knots. And then it's a good wig for beginners. If you've never owned a wig or if you've never tried a wig, this wig can be so good for you. It's a beginner friendly wig. So guys, for you to enter this competition, of course there are terms and conditions applied. I'll put all the terms and conditions in the description box down below, so you can go follow it, and maybe you might be the lucky winner. But then just to mention a few of the terms and conditions is that first of all, you must be subscribed to my channel, and then you must have turned on the notification button, and then comment on this video the name of the company that sent me this wig. That will tell me that you've been watching my videos. The name of the company that sent me this wig and why you need this wig. That is on YouTube now. And then on Instagram, you're going to recruit your friends to follow me, and they have to mention you in the comment section below. And I'd prefer if they mentioned your YouTube name instead of Instagram name. That is, if your Instagram and YouTube names are different, I'd prefer if they mention your YouTube name instead of Instagram name. And that person will have the highest mentions. That might be also our lucky winner, because I'll just pick the winner randomly. I won't select the country you come from, because this is just going to be like a random person from whichever country you are from. I'll ship this wig to you. So this competition is going to end on 15th of this month. I'll announce the winner on 16th, and then you have to be on the lookout. If you're the winner, I'll contact you within 24 hours. If you don't respond, I'll take the second person. If she doesn't respond, I'll take the third person until the winner responds. And so guys, remember my next giveaway is going to be on the shapewear. So that was it for today guys, and I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope you are the lucky winner. So bye bye guys, wish you luck.